Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort the different listings on Airbnb based on price. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Airbnb application on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already, using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you can start looking for various different rooms, B&Bs, or the different kinds of stays that are available. If you scroll through the various options, you will see that they are not based on price or arranged in any manner. So if you wish to sort based on price, then simply tap on the settings option at the top right corner and now you will see the price range. You can choose the type of place and choose your price range. After choosing your price range, you can change various different options if you wish. And finally tap on the show places option. This will now show you the places based on your price range that you have selected. And now you will be able to see the various different places that are on offer. Once you find one that you are interested in, just tap on it and then proceed forward with the reserve button in order to make a booking or reservation. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sort the various different listings based on price on the Airbnb application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.